Hey everybody, so I got a quick unboxing to do from Acme Tools. Picked up some Milwaukee stuff, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, we're gonna unbox this real quick. Box feels kind of puffy, like they put the items in it and they didn't necessarily fit, but it's alright. They put the book in there, that's probably why. So you get another book, a little flyer, and a wine card, $100 voucher. Alright. So, we have the 1/4" Stubby impact wrench 2552-20, and we got the 1/2" Stubby impact wrench 2555-20. So we're gonna open these real quick. Up to 250 foot-pounds on the 1/2". Power state brushless motor, red link plus, red lithium battery pack, M12 fuel, Stubby impact compactness compared to competitor, and you know, the 250 compared to the 210 from another competitor, which is probably Dewalt. This one's probably Dewalt. It's got mode 1, 2, 3 and auto shut off mode. I already have the 3/8, which is right here. It's kind of dingy and dirty. I use the 3/8 a lot, and I wanted the 1/2" for most of my impact sockets are 1/2", so I wanted the 1/2" particularly for that reason. And these are all hog ring style. Here's the 1/2". It's got plenty of oil on the anvil. You can see it's got grease in the behind the anvil. There's the tool. Gonna move this guy out the way. Here's your instruction packet, which was kind of smashed in that one. Your M12 M18 nothing but heavy duty pamphlet, which shows all the tools, and then your monthly, or your winning number to put in for the monthly drawing. That's everything in that one. This one is the 1/4" Stubby impact wrench 2552-20. 100 foot-pounds compared to the competition 2452-20. This one is comparing it to an older Milwaukee, which is 45 foot-pounds. It is more compact than the competition. It has 1, 2, 3 and auto shut-off mode. For the 1/4", mode 1 is 0 to 1300, mode 2 is 0 to 1900, and mode 3 is 0 to 3000. And auto shut off, I believe, is 0 to 3000. Oh, it's 0 to 3200 on mode 3, my bad. I think auto shut off mode is 0 to 3200, but it's in variants. I forgot to read it off on the 1/2". The 1/2", mode 1 is 0 to 1200, which is a little slower. It's 100 RPM slower than the 1/4". Mode 2 is 0 to 1800, and the 1/4 inch is 0 to 1900 on mode 2, and mode 3 is 0 to 2700, and on the 1/4 inch it's 3200, 0 to 3200. So the 1/2 inch is a little bit slower. So we're going to pop this one open real quick. It's going to be pretty quick unboxing. I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. If you guys want to know more about these tools or you have more questions, just don't hesitate, leave me a comment. Somebody will answer your comment, whether it's me or somebody else. Your pamphlet, your code for monthly giveaway, the instruction book. I have both of these. I technically have the 2552, which is the 1/4 inch impact stubby, and I have the 2553, which is actually the hex driver. It's the newer hex driver. Box is empty. Ooh, almost knocked the camera over. Here's the 1/4 inch. It's got plenty of grease, which is very nice to see. And then you push the button in for all the way to the left side of your body, and it's reverse. Push it all the, or it's should be not reverse, but it should be forward if I remember correctly. Yep, forward or clockwise. Push it all the way towards the right side of your hand on if you're right-handed, and it's counterclockwise. This is a 6 amp hour battery. Just pop on here. It's on level 3 at the moment. Here's level speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. And auto. Yeah, auto's yeah, it's auto. So auto is pretty much 3, but it has an auto shut off. That's 1/4 inch. Here's the 1/2 inch. Put it on 1. Two. And 3. Auto. The auto on this one's a little slower. And move these out the way. Let me grab my scale, and we'll weigh them real quick. Alright, so here's the 1/4 inch without a battery. What does the 1/4 inch say? Okay, I forgot to read this side of the box. Anvil type 1/4 inch square with friction ring. Fastening torque 85 foot-pounds. Nut busting torque 100 foot-pounds. Drive control 4 mode with auto shut-off mode. RPMs 1300, 1900, 3200, and and auto shut-off mode has 1500 to 3200. Impacts per minute is 1300, 2000, and 4300. So speed 1 is 1300 impacts per minute, speed 2 is 2000, speed 3 is 4300, length it's 5.1 inches, weight without battery is 1.6 pounds. So let's weigh the 1/4 without a battery. It's not 1.6 pounds. It's 1.98. So it's 1 pound, 9.8 ounces. It's actually a little heavier than they're stating. Oh, now it's saying 1.1, 1.99, 1.98. Alright. gonna take the battery off, and this is I have a compact 2, I have a 4, and a 3. Alright, so we'll test the 3 and the 4 and the 6, and we'll test, I don't have anything other than the compact 2. I don't have any 1.5s or compact 3s, so we'll test the weight with a compact 2. It's 2 pounds, 0.1 ounces for the 1/4 inch. Let's test it with the 3. So this video is going to be a little longer than I wanted. It's 2 pounds, 8.3 ounces with a XC3. With a 4, it is 2 pounds, 8.2 ounces. And with the 6, it is 2 pounds, 8.8 ounces. Okay, and we'll do the 1/2 inch real quick. Half inch specs on the box are, on the side of the box, 1/2 inch square with friction ring, fastening torque 250 foot-pounds, nut busting torque 250 foot-pounds, drive mode control 4 mode with auto shut-off mode. RPMs are 1200, 1800, 2700. So it's 1200 for first, mode 1, mode 2 is 1800, mode 3 is 2700, and auto shut off is 1500 to 2700. IPMs, mode 1 is 1100 impacts per minute, mode 2 is 2100 impacts per minute, and mode 3 is 3200 impacts per minute. Length is 4.9 inches. Weight is 2.1 pounds without battery. So here's the 1/2 inch. Tool only, 2.17 pounds. So it's pretty close to what they said as 2.1 pounds because they're not counting the ounces, I guess. So, okay, then we're going to do the same thing. Compact 2.0 battery. Was 2.17, it is now 2.8.0. Okay. So 7.4 ounces is what this weighs. 6.3 is what it says, but alright, so 3.0. It is 3.02, so 3 pounds, 2 ounces. Okay, 4. 3.01. Put it this way. 3.02. 3.01 with the 4, the XC4, and with an XC6. It's 3.07, so 3 pounds, 7 ounces. I'm going to move it up here. 3 pounds, 7 ounces. So that's correct. So those are the weight measurements, specs, all that jazz. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. and I will catch you guys on the next video. Purrs.